Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about tires and alignment and how important it is to your vehicle. Tires can become a big safety issue. If you take a look at this tire right here, you can see it was quite destroyed from a lot of cupping or damaged wear from suspension components. Tires are one of those wear items that are very expensive to replace, so we want to try to get as much life as we can out of tires. Number one, you should check the air pressure on your tires at least monthly. Most vehicles now have air pressure monitoring systems that remind you if a tire gets low, which is good. Make sure if you get a low pressure tire that you get it aired up or checked right away. Usually if a tire loses pressure, it's because something has caused it to lose pressure. Tires do wear out. We do want them to wear as evenly as possible and all the way down to the wear marks. You get a tire to 4/32 of an inch, it's time to start replacing tires at that point. The safety of the stopping and also pushing water away from the tread of the vehicle starts to diminish as the tire gets less than 4/32. Make sure to have the suspension components checked regularly when replacing tires, and you should have your vehicle aligned yearly to get the most out of your tires. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.